Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the monthly chart of Frontier Lithium. Now this stock is a Canadian listed stock, and if you are looking at the price chart, you will see a very big breakout after at least 2 decades worth of price action. So if you can see, we have the data since 1995, so 25-26 years worth of data we have here. And if you are looking at the price action, so the stock has been moving below this level, these couple of levels. And before going forward, let me tell you, this is a Canadian listed stock, so currency is in Canadian dollar. So the thing is, as you can see, the levels we have here were 84 cents, then you have $1.18, and you have $1.34. So these were your big resistance levels in the past 20-25 years, and the stock never surpassed these levels for a very long time. And if a breakout is happening from this very big or stiff resistance over a period of last 2 decades, then let me tell you, there is something which is working for this particular stock, right? So what we have here right now, or as far as the trend is concerned, for that we need to understand the previous price movement before going forward. So let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. That your previous important levels were 38 cents, then we have 13 and 13.1376, and then we have 0.13. Going below we have 0.04. Now why I am talking to you about these levels, or why these levels are important, is because these levels will help us to understand the next or the upcoming target going forward in the upcoming months and years, right? Now you could probably say that okay, you have talked about the breakout and all, but what about this highlighted section, right? This is also a part of the price movement. Yes, it does, but it is just an you can say, and it looks like an exclamation mark, or it is just an exception. But if you do want to include this, even if you want to include this, breakout has already happened, you can consider this as your next target, right? So what you can do, because the stock is sustaining above 1.34, so the primary target we have here is 3.73. It does not make any difference because the big breakout has already happened. And if there is a resistance in between or at 3.73, then we have to see that in that case the range that will get formed is in between 1.34 and 3.73. But that's a thing we can't say, and probably the chances are very less. If it happens, in that case 1.34 and 3.73 will become the range, and beyond 3.73 the further move will again start. Now what's next is the question. As you can see, 3.73. So for that we are not stretching from the lowest end of the range, but even if we are calculating the price move from the middle to the higher end of the range, we have 950%. So that 950% will translate into a target which is as high as, we are $13, $13 or $14, right? So this is what we have here as far as the big trend is concerned as of now. Let's see how the price will move in the upcoming weeks and months, and we are going to probably reanalyze it if needed. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.